Hey my beautiful dantees, how you all doing today? As for me, I'm doing fantabulous. Thanks for asking. Today is actually a hair tutorial. I'm going to be showing you how to grip your box braid like a pro. Okay?
Some people, them envy you, follow you on Insta just to pre you. The way they go chat rubbish, the way they go.
I did this hair by myself. I really love it. I really like the color. Let me stand up to show you. This is how long it is. It's kind of like touching my butt, and I'm honestly proud of myself. And I give glory to God that given me the ability to be able to do this. And very neat, please. If my braids ain't neat, I don't like it at all. My braids are always neat. The one I do on myself and the one I do on my clients, always neat. So before I get into the tutorial, I don't want this video to be too long. The kind of hair I use is called Kinicolon Charm Braid by Magic Go Collection, and the color I use is TT1B. I bought 12 packs of this now, but it wasn't enough. Well, I know 12 packs is a lot. They're really smaller packs. Those are really fluffy hair that you think is a lot in the pack, but it's nothing. Those people are 419, honestly. And then I had to go back to the beauty supply store to buy this one called Free Tress African Braid. I don't recommend both hair because the first one I bought is too fluffy. I ended up using more than 12 packs and it still wasn't enough. It's a rip of your money. And this one, I don't like the feel of it. It stinks. I think honestly Free Tress are trying to like copy Expression, but it didn't work out well at all. It's like, you know, Expression is like that grandmother recipe that no one else can get right. Everybody just wants to copy it, but nobody can get it right. Just stick to Expression, honestly. Expression, they didn't pay me. I'm not paid for this video, but I'm just telling you my experience. But the reason why I picked this hair and no Expression is because they didn't have Expressions in ombre, and I really wanted ombre hair. And then I decorated it with the shell beads. But yeah, let's go ahead with the video. I hope you enjoy. If there's any more question, I know a lot of you will probably kill me still with this tutorial, like, I don't see what you're doing, I don't understand. Put it down in the description box down below if you want me to make another tutorial, or slower tutorial, slow it down, or how I put the beads in. Whatever question you have in regards to this video, please put it down in the comment box, not in the description box, in the comment box down below. So right here, I'm showing you guys again what kind of hair I use. This is actually the second hair I went to get after using the 12 packs I was telling you at the beginning. The color is OT Silver. It was a little wider than the first one that I used, but it didn't have the first one I used. That's why I got this one. So now I'm going to show you how I really grip that hair, honey. So this is how I grip when it's close to my face. When it's like really close to my forehead, this is the method that I use. I'll show you another method on how I grip when it's like far away from my forehead. So you see, you divide the hair into two, one small, one large. You know, you make it 3 strands as usual. So the small part on the small part of the hair is gonna be the 3rd strand. I hope that makes sense. Now, when I'm gripping at the front, I put the extension under my own hair, the one I'm gripping under, as you can see, and then I start twisting, like turning it around. Because I'm grabbing all of my own hair. I've not divided it into 3 at this point because I want to make sure I really grip it really well. Because you know you're making hair on your own head, so sometimes it's kind of hard. But this is a very easy way. The hair stays really nicely. As you can, so I just start braiding in that order, and then I put a lotion in my hand, and then I continue to braid, so that way my hand is not dry, and that also gives the braids more shine. Yeah, well gripped and everything. It was perfect. I'm going to show you how to make your braids longer. Now this is how you know those really long braids, the Nicki Minaj braids. That's how they made it really long. Usually hair companies do not sell hair that long, but you can make any hair as long as you want. So by just adding it the way just that I did, just one strand and then add it to the back, just like I did. And as you can see here, you cannot even, no one will know that I added hair anyway. It went in smoothly. So yeah, I'm gonna show you one more time how I grip the front of my hair before I show you the other method. One big, one small, make into 3 strands. And then I put the extension under the hair that I'm gripping, all of it. All of it. And this method also works for short hair. You can see my hair is short, but not short. But if your hair is shorter than this, this method also works for your DIY braids. And I start twisting it around into 3 strands. And as I'm going upwards, I'm sorry you can't really see properly there, I divide my own hair into 3 so it can blend in properly. It's very easy. You try it. Just put the extension under the hair that you're gripping and you'll be fine. See, the hair is going absolutely nowhere. Very secured. And then you just continue braiding. And of course, I'm making the hair longer because the second type of hair that I bought is not as long as the first one that I bought, so I basically had to do this, which almost ruined the ombre, the purpose of me buying this hair, but it still works out fine. You just have to use wisdom, you know. See, you can tell that I added hair anywhere. It blends in really nicely. Now, this is how I grip the part that is far away from my face, because I can't do that method all over my hair. So this is the method that I use to grab the back of my head. So I call this the upward method. The other one was the under method. So you basically braid it just like a regular style. I don't know if that makes sense, but I basically divide this right away with the extension. Unlike the first method that I show you, I divide it as I continue to braid up. I hope I make sense. Please don't kill me. I really try to explain. Trust me. But I hope God give you the spirit of understanding. Thank you.
Now I like dollars, I like diamonds, I like stunning, I like shining, I like $1 million deals. Where's my pen? Bitch, I'm signing. I like those Balenciagas, the ones that look like socks. I like going to the Tula. I put rocks all in.
So this part is optional. So I relaxed the edges of my edges because I wanted that baby hair. I wanted that hair laid for vacation. So I took a Vaseline and put on my edges because I don't want to be burnt by the relaxer. That is what the Vaseline does. And I went ahead after mixing the relaxer to relax my edges because my hair is basically natural at this point. Not intentional, but because I'm not relaxing in a long time. So I think I'll just transition in. I don't know. Whatever, the hair has a life of its own. And then after washing the relaxer off, this is how my baby hair looks. All lit and shit. Oh my God. I love it. Oh, I'm sorry, I don't know what that was. But as you can see with the excited, I can't talk. The excitement on my face that I really, really loved it. I loved how it turned out. Yes. And then, of course, you want to dip your braids in hot water. That makes it really nice and laid and smooth. Makes it move really nice. Look at that movement. No, look at that. Look at it. It looks like so smooth, like baby butt. Smooth, nice, clean, neat. Yes, I did that. With God's grace, I did that, baby. I'm so stupid. But I really, really love it. Yeah, I used some black color at the back, because the hair, yeah, I think I almost did like 18 packs of hair. Please do not buy this hair. Both of them I do recommend it. You can buy another type, but if you're going to buy this type of hair, then use at your own risk, honey. So I'm just saying. Yeah, I'm just showing you the length here and how nicely the hair moves and how neat it is. Really nice. This hair got really popular when I went on vacation. Like, them white people were basically taking pictures of my hair that they wanted to do it. That's how it was. The length it's touching my butt. It was perfect for vacation. I really, really enjoyed this hair. Yeah, you can see the look at my face. This has been my best box braid till date. It keeps getting better. Oh, glory to God, man. So at this point, your baby girl had dolled up and shit, and now it's time to put decoration in the hair. I'm using all type of decoration. I'm using the string, the what do they call it? Yeah, beads, shell beads and gold beads and everything. You know I'm very extra. I really love these shell beads. I really enjoy them a lot. I'm going to be putting in all of my braids or whatever it is that I make now, because they're just so cute. I love them. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Until next time, until I see you, remember, life is what you make it. Hashtag positive vibes. Only. Until next time. Mwah.